Good afternoon. My name is Michael Eduardo Joya Ronjancio. Today I want to walk do you about three key actions to stay healthy and productive at work. Active breaks, physical activity, and unbalanced diet. What are active breaks? Active breaks are short breaks during the work day where we do gently movement or strength exercise. Benefits of active breaths. Being including active breaths in work day, we can reduce stress, prevent body actions, increase concentration, and improve our mood. Deals help reduce the risk of occupancy. Physical activity and addition to active breaks on the activities that has helped me stay healthy. The mass in mountain biking, I practice it, and the results have been positive both physically and mentally. Riding a bike on natural terrain not only strengthens the body, especially my legs, lungs, and heart, but also helps me to release stress, clear my wind, and recharge my energy to face and die with more energy. Nutrition and productivity. Nutrition is another factor. What we eat influences our energy, concentration, and mood. A balanced diet of fruits, vegetables, and proteins also allows us to stay active throughout today, avoid fatigue, and perform beat avoid excess sugar, junk food, and the dehydration. It's key to maintain an active body. Thank you very much.